Thank you for staying with Republic. And even as India continues to fight coronavirus, cricket also, that is one of the worst hit. Fans were eagerly waiting for some cricketing action on the ground. And the big question being, what is BCCI's next plan?
BCCI official and treasurer, Mr. Dhumal, who's with us. Mr. Dhumal, I firstly want to come to you to understand what is BCCI's immediate plan, considering stadiums have opened up. Will there be training camps organized on an immediate basis? What happens when we talk about action in cricket?
The new lockdown norms have come up. The Honorary Secretary, Mr. Jay Shah, he's in touch with the operation team and the NCA staff as to what best we can do in the given circumstances. But as you know, the stadiums have opened up, the travel restrictions are still there. So it may not be possible as of now to get the entire team together at one place and have a camp organized for them. So since there are different travel restrictions at the state level, so we are studying that also, and we are chalking out a strategy as to how we can work with the State Cricket Association to start the practices at the local level.
All right.
Also wanting to understand from you the big question on everyone's mind. Yes, go ahead.
Yeah. So we'll have to study it unless travel restrictions are lifted. It won't be possible to resume the cricket at full scale. But as you rightly said, everybody is wanting to go back to the grounds, and so it is the case with our players. They are itching to go back and start with their practices because they've been in-house in the lockdown for such a long time. It must have happened for the first time in their entire career. So they are wanting and very keen to go back to stadium. So we are working, studying it out, and we'll work with the State Cricket Association to resume the practice.
Oh yes, and we've been watching those very interesting videos that all the cricketers have been posting on their social media accounts. But coming back to the big question that is on everyone's mind, will the IPL happen this year in 2020? What is the BCCI mulling on that?
See, IPL was originally scheduled to happen in April-May. As you know, it is not possible to organize that now since the travel restrictions are still there and it is a very short window available with us. Post this, we are going to have monsoon. So in that monsoon season also, it is not possible to organize such a huge tournament. Normally for a IPL to happen, we will need a window of about 45 days. That doesn't seem likely as of now till we have this monsoon over. And post that, what is the status of bilaterals? We'll have to study that. Per se, there's a lot of speculation in the media that T20 World Cup might not happen. If that be the case, we'll study it out that if it is possible to have something around that time. But like this Janta curfew and lockdown started later, but in the interest of safety and health of our players, we called off 2 games against South Africa. So for us, the safety and health of our players is paramount. We'll take any decision keeping in mind that aspect, and accordingly we'll work out what is the window available and then take a call.
Mr. Dhumal, if there is any chance in the future that travel restrictions are eased, will the BCCI also consider the option of holding the IPL overseas?
See, for IPL to happen overseas, again, if the international travel restrictions go, then you have foreign players who also pitch in for the IPL. They also are part of our teams. So what are the travel restrictions back home there for their country? So all these factors have to be weighed in once we take a final call. If the travel restrictions are not there, ideally we would want to organize IPL in our home country. Why go overseas? But if the situation doesn't permit that to happen here, then we'll have to explore other possibilities. But we are quite hopeful that in case a few of the tournaments get revisited and rescheduled, and we have some window available, we would like to organize IPL here only. But again, I would reiterate, the safety and health of our players is paramount. We will not compromise on that, and the call would be taken on the basis of that only.
Ms. Tupal, of course, considering a very positive approach, if the COVID situation gets better in the second half of the year, will there be a consideration as far as overseas tours are concerned? So, for example, in Australia, things are much getting better on the COVID front. Can Australia be considered?
Yeah.
Have you revisited on all those possibilities?
See, our first international tour post this IPL would have been to Sri Lanka. That is in July. Then we were supposed to travel to Zimbabwe, and then England was supposed to come, and then we were to go to Australia for T20 World Cup, followed by the Test match series. But as of now, picture is not clear as to when the international travel is going to resume. What would be the status back home in all these countries wherein we were supposed to travel. So for all these things to get clear, we'll have to wait. What are the travel restrictions and what are the government norms in our country and the country that we may have to visit.
All right. Many thanks for talking to Republic this afternoon. A lot of fans waiting to hear what you've said. So, of course, that brings in more clarity. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.